Hi there, my name is Sophie Mason and I'm a pelvic floor physiotherapist here at Proactive Pelvic Health Center. I'm currently seeing clients out of our East and or West End locations. Today I wanted to kick off a new series where we're starting to talk about some stretches to help relieve some postural pain that might occur during the postpartum period. During this transition into postpartum, you might notice that your body's physical demands change almost overnight, as now you're constantly stuck in static positions while feeding, bending over your baby's crib, or holding your baby for extended periods of time. So I wanted to choose a couple stretches today that can all be done in sitting or standing so that they're easy to fit into your routine. The first one's going to be a seated cat-cow, and so for this one, I like to use my hands on my chest to help guide the movement, and we're going to think about pushing our shoulders back, raising our chest towards the ceiling, and then reversing that movement as we round forwards. There shouldn't be any pain with this exercise, but more so a stretch through the upper back and then a stretch through the front as we open up. We can try moving back and forth between those two positions about 10 times. The second stretch we're going to do is going to be for our neck, so we're going to think about dropping our ear down to our shoulder and gently guiding the movement with our hand. Again, we shouldn't feel any pain, more so just a nice stretch along the other side of our neck, and we can hold this for about 30 seconds. The third stretch we're going to do in standing, and this one's going to be to help us stretch out our hip flexors. So I'm going to have you stand up, we're going to step 1 foot forward and 1 foot back into a lunge. We're going to think about tucking our pelvis, squeezing our bum, and feeling the nice stretch in the front of the hip here. Again, we can hold that for about 30 seconds before switching sides. I hope you found all these stretches to be helpful, and I hope you keep an eye out for our next video in this series where we add a couple more stretches in that can be done on the floor. If you need any personalized questions or care for your aches and pains, please don't hesitate to give our clinic a call. See you next time. Bye.